Today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a video I should have done a long time ago, seriously. Anyways, I'm doing it now. Let's talk about Bitcoin. And if you subscribe to the channel, you have seen that few days ago, like within the last few days, I uploaded multiple videos with an overwhelmingly bearish tone, right? I in fact took 75% in total over the last 2 years, and the last time a few days ago in profits on my long-term Bitcoin trade, which I opened at the bear market bottom in November 2022 and took profits along the way, all the way until now. And my total profits taken are 16 million US dollars already. I literally just left 10 million US dollars in that trade. So almost 70% in profits are realized. So people are asking, Chris, are you bearish? Well, yes and no. Hear me out. I want to talk about some shocking prediction which I should have made some time ago already. So let's get straight into it. Again, last few days was quite bearish. So I want to give you this one perspective, this one shocking perspective, which maybe you did not really expect. So watch until the end. Let's get into it. And by the way, guys, I don't know if you've seen it. I actually made an experiment where I ate 1,800 eggs. And the results are, let me say it like this, quite shocking. The link to that YouTube video is in the pinned comment down below. I want you to watch it. It is really, really watch worthy. This is what I can tell you. It's just a few minutes. Watch it, pin comment. So now let's get straight into Bitcoin, the reason why you're here. And there's a good reason that I'm making this video while driving here through Dubai. While I'm here on the Palm, right, you see all of these houses. And seriously, I was a taxi driver until 2017, as you know, right? For 4 years, I was driving a taxi on the weekends. Honestly, even here in Dubai, living on the Palm in a villa, I still feel like a taxi driver. Seriously, my neighbors have a bigger house. I just walk 5 meters further. The next person has a bigger house. There's another bigger villa, another bigger villa. And it's just mind-blowing to see how much money there is in the world. And then there's another Palm. Then there are other areas. Then there's Abu Dhabi. There is like London, Munich, and like all these. The world is big. We have thousands of billionaires in the world. We literally have 40 million millionaires. You can fill a whole country just with millionaires. You have trillion-dollar companies, and the amount of billion-dollar companies, you cannot even count it. So the amount of money which yet has to be invested into Bitcoin once these institutions, people, entities realize that Bitcoin is the #1 potential safe haven in the world, especially when the fiat currency system collapses. You cannot even comprehend. Yes, percentage-wise, we made the biggest gains already in terms of purchasing power. Since I started Bitcoin going from $1,000 all the way up to 100,000 US dollars or 120,000, 120x, I mean, we will not reproduce that again. But in absolute terms, $1 million per Bitcoin, $3 million per Bitcoin, I could be wrong, but I see this happening still. Not next year, not the year afterwards, but long term. And this is why I did shift. Let me actually make a U-turn. I did shift my focus a little bit. So that's why I deleveraged my portfolio by taking some profits on my trade, taking these profits on my Bitcoin settled future actually back into Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes higher, I'll still make more profits. I took some profits on altcoins throughout the last few years back into Bitcoin. So I took risk off within the crypto market. And yes, I'm diversifying out of crypto also by actually buying other assets outside of crypto. But overall, my focus is still crypto. Overall, it's still crypto, but more Bitcoin than crypto. And yes, I diversify, I buy real estate and stuff, yes. But the majority is still crypto. But as we progress, of course I have to deleverage, of course I have to take risk off. But I do still believe the best is yet to come. I do still believe we will see millions of dollars for Bitcoin. This is the takeaway I want you to take away from here. Short-term and long-term views can differ. When short term I get extremely cautious, long term nothing has changed. So I really wanted to get this out, because if Bitcoin will go in the future to $1 million, I don't want to have people coming, oh, why did you take profits on your trade then? Taking profits is always great. Anyways, let me know what you think about that. And remember, I leave the link to that video in the pinned comment down below. Click this video, 1800x. You will be surprised about that result. And as always, guys, bye.